Hello, in this PixaFlux video I'll show you how to use the image shape in the surface noise node to create this procedural surface texture. The surface noise node takes as input an image and creates a height map that subdivides the surface in groups. We'll use the height map to create a normal map. We'll use the gradient map node to color each group. From the Mesh Nodes menu, drag a surface node. Set the scene, object, and size attributes. Drag a surface noise node. Connected. Drag a surface bake node. Connected. Drag a scene textures node. From the File Explorer, drag a height map image. This image was created in Blender using a bake height map shader. Set the image format to value. Connect the image to the surface noise node. Set the shape type to image. Set the noise size. Set blending to 3. The image tiles attribute tells the noise how many tiles are in the image. Set the shape mask to 0 to use the full height map. Set shape strength to 1 and 1. Set density to 1 to render all shapes. Set combined value to maximum. This is the surface noise height map. Drag a surface to normal node to convert it to a normal map. Set the multiplier to 0.2. Drag a constant node. Connect it to metalness. Set the format to value and set to 0. Now we'll add color to each surface group. From the File Explorer, drag the rock texture. From the Adjust Nodes menu, drag a gradient map node. The surface noise group's output returns an image with the groups created by each noise patch at its maximum height. Connect the rock texture as the gradient in the gradient map node. Drag a new surface bake node to bake the albedo texture. By default, the gradient map node takes the bottom line from the input image as the gradient. To create more color variation, we can use a Bezier curve to sample the rock image. From the Create menu, drag a Bezier curve node. Set the rock texture as display. Draw a curve. From the Compose menu, drag a curve sample image node. Connect the curve input. When we move the curve, the color sampling changes. The surface noise texture is parametric, and changing an input modifies the texture. This is how you can use the surface noise node with the image input to create procedural textures for your models. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us in Discord, Twitter, Blue Sky, and Instagram for more updates and tutorials.